In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove credit card details from Norton. Managing your billing information is an important aspect of using any software service, and when it comes to Norton, it's no different. Whether you're upgrading, switching payment methods, or just want to remove an existing card, knowing how to navigate the Norton site is key. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. The first thing you need to do is head over to the official Norton website. Make sure you are visiting the official site to ensure the security of your information. Once you're on the Norton homepage, look for the My Account option. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on My Account to proceed. Now, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Norton account. Click on the Sign In button, which is usually right under the My Account tab. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Fill in your credentials and click Sign In to gain access to your account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Norton homepage. This dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your services and account details. From here, you want to navigate to your profile. Look for a profile icon, which might be represented by a small avatar or your initials. Click on it to enter your profile section. Once in your profile, locate and click on the Billing Information tab. This section houses all your billing-related data and is where you can make updates or changes. The next screen you see will feature the option labeled Billing Payment Details. Click on this to access your stored payment information. In the Billing Payment Details area, you will see a list of all the credit cards or payment methods currently associated with your Norton account. To remove a credit card, simply find the card you wish to delete. There should be an option to either edit or remove next to each payment method. In this case, select Remove and confirm your choice when prompted. And that's it. You've successfully removed your credit card details from Norton. Always remember, managing your personal data is crucial, so make sure to update your information whenever necessary to keep your account secure. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Norton's customer support for assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.